lot more scenarios and examples the ATO give, but these are kind of the gist, and you'll sort of pick up what they're trying to have a go at. In general, what they're looking to do is make sure that if you distribute profit to someone from a trust, the economic benefit ends up with the person you distributed it to. For instance, you and your spouse. So if you distribute to you and your spouse, that is generally very low risk. The ATO aren't going to worry too much, especially if it's paid into a joint account and spent on normal family stuff. The ATO gives some pretty silly examples of what might not be low risk here, like if the spouse that's paid to, the other spouse goes on a holiday without the spouse, and it's just really weird. It sounds weird even saying it, but yeah, if it's paid into the joint bank account for the family, spent on normal stuff, there's just no problem, or they say it's a low risk. Not no risk, low risk. And then if we have a look at adult children, now what that means is, if you've got two spouses or husband and wife with adult children, and we're looking to distribute to the adult children, the key with this is, let's say we distribute $50,000 to them. What they don't want to see is the child repaying or gifting it back to the parents. Makes a bit of sense, where the economic benefit they want to see stays with the child. Now, and then we can't advocate or do things like, just have access to one of their credit cards and weird stuff like that. That's just, if the ATO catch onto that, they're not gonna have a great day. And same with, like, if you try to come up with schemes to gift it back, again, not going to end well from a ATO perspective. And similarly with your parents. So sometimes we've got clients who distribute money to their parents or their in-laws. Again, repaying or gifting is clearly sort of high risk with what the ATO said. And the other one is same as retaining cash for working capital. That's for adult children or parents-in-law. So what that means is basically if you distribute the money to them on paper but never pay the cash, but you're retaining that cash in the business or in the trust to invest, or working capital, whatever it is, if you're not paying it to them, and we've got a bit of a problem with these rules that are brought in. So they're very new. I think they might have been released about a month ago. If you're a client, we'll tell you about this in your tax planning meeting and work to see how that might impact your distributions.